Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Niliman Mukut Kramsa. Bini ilitum Charlie Damang English to Kirby translation. Asap sabi ilitum grammar alam sa ilitum tethan namnak. Lasi nalitum bang so channel lang tum subscribe kre lang putin lang tum subscribe ita. Cheng lang bang so video. Aprang silitum tethan nam sinang. Kaki klembom asai. Mate English pen simple present tense usipulo. Simple present tense ilitum kaning jenang jike lake ilitum kaki klembom asai long silitum ningje ponang po. Example lang nam senang I eat pork neli phag okcho. I eat pork pulutang te pinita cho kedam tang ta cho kebang jilang anis name chopo. Lasi ilitum lasona long ke ilitum simple present tense use nang po I eat pork neli phag okcho. I play football neli football patu. Lalo labang ke ilitum positive sentence toklo lapene negative bangke negative mane sonse pulo mane choche junje damde pupanlo lasidang negative bangke I don't eat pork karbi pen neli phak ok choche. Number 2 I don't play football karbi pen ke neli football patu the. Putot dam thul sinang interrogative lake karju ilitum arju ponangs simple present tense pen do you eat pork pulo tangte karbi pen ke nangli phak ok choma pulo. Do you eat pork nangli phak ok choma. Number 2 do you play football nangli football patuma. English pen do you play football karbi pen ke nangli football patuma pulo. Uthot lang nam tu sinang non ilitum charli dam tu sinang present continuous tense. Present continuous tense ilitum kening jenang jike lake ilitum klembom asai ehut non klembom asai hut pangbar dam nang. Example pen I'm going to the market nearly hiti dambom. Dambom musilitum ning jenang po I'm going to the market. Number 2 he is going to school bang swapin so school dambom. Dambom musilitum kaning jenang po he ke ilitum pin so pasi jong damlo. Number 3 they are buying clothes. They ke alang litum polo. Alang litum they pute are punang po they are buying clothes. Alang litum peri nambom. Si nambom hut ke ilitum present continuous tense ilitum en ponang po. Ilitum present continuous tense pang thek joy pick ing ing pu do vekji. Ing pu gedolong pute ilitum chininang po lake non asai klem bom hut kining je alam lopu. Buy pute buying, go pute going, take pute taking, eat pute eating lalo. Negative pen ilitum langnam sinang I'm not going to the market. Karbi pen nili hiti dambombe. I'm not going to the market. Number 2 he is not going to school. Bang so pin so school dambombe kupano. Da karbi lambe nili asabolar chetlo ate ilitum ansu se kabuji dam ji ponsida karbi pen ke asabo nili dak checking nam dis dam nili tok mondet lo. Number 3 they are not buying clothes. Alang litum peri nambombe. They are not buying clothes. Di nambombe kupano. Ilitum interrogative mane question karju bangphan karju nangji. Present continuous tense pen bangphan karju nangji kosono itum langnam sinang am I going to the market. English pen kela sonlo karbi pen bangke neli school dambom ma pupanlo. Puthot nje dam tu sinang am I going to the market neli school dambom ma pulo. Number 2 is he going to school bang swapin su school dambom ma pupanlo. Is he going to school. Di lahai kadoga we lake present continuous tense lo non suli bom asai long sui litum ningje ponang po. Number 3 lang nam sinang are they buying clothes. Alang litum peri nambom ma. Are they buying. They pute halatum polo. Kasi halatum ke inut pena ki ong pena posida ke are si litum en ponang po. Pini litum labang su hini at tense la charli dam chonang simple present tense lapen present continuous tense. Simple present tense lake ilitum kai ke klembom asai long kaning je alam. Apen present continuous tense lake non ilitum klemboy asai long kaning je alam. Las ilitum conversation puthot ilitum adhek example enam sina chengnang. Simple present conversation ma ilitum langnam nak nangli phagok choma. Do you eat pork? Do you eat pork? Number 2. Cho. Yes, I do. Kalite nang litum yes, I eat pustame thakpon me. Number 3. Nang li English alam ning je ma. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Number 4. Nang li antun ma. Do you cook food? Do you cook food? Mate nang litum do you cook rice puta nang litum arjupon me. Food ke kechoson rice ke lage an phansi pudam lo. Sang phansi pudam lo. Rice ke. Number 5. Bangso apinso plang oma. Is he rich? Is he rich? Bangso apinso posidake he punang koklo. He ke pinso ponsi jong dam. Bangso apinso plang oma. Is he rich? Number 6. Bangso arlo so chinki mesen ma. Is she kind? Arlo so panke she pusipupo. Lasidake is she kind? Oh, chinki mesen. Yes, she is kind. Yes, she is kind. Chinky no pute? No, she is not. No, she is not. Number 8. Alang litum ning arong ma. Are they happy? Alang litum pute de pulo. Asidake ar puno pate mane inut pen abat pinaposi dak de pulo mati lasi ar punang po. Inuvet pute is pupo. Lasi alang litum ning arong ma puke are they happy? Are they happy? Non ilitum charli damnang conversation in present continuous. Present continuous ke non suli voi akamalong si ilitum ningjerang po. Example 1. Otong natsi dampom. Otong natsi dambom. English, hi Tong, where are you going? Tong bang dambom musi karjudu nalam lo. Naso posidage present continuous tense lo. Hi Tong, where are you going? Where are you going? Natsi dambom. Number 2. Nili hiti dambom. I'm going to the market. Nili hiti dambom. I'm going to the market. Number 3. Pila chobom. What are you eating? What are you eating? Ilit dong sa sau pachumetia jibrilitum. What are podimang water podachak. What are you doing? Sialam lo. Wal samilitum halabange non make chari nang nilang. Non make litum simple English di. What are you eating? PC chobom lo. Number 4. Nilihim chobom. I'm eating biscuit. I'm eating biscuit. Ilitum dong siya kapre son si chopute. I'm eating food puta chok. I'm eating aja the chok di ko piason melitum icho ilitum dag jok dot melo. Number 5. Chonghoi lo ching pila ho. Chonghoi lo ching negret ke. Chonghoi lo ching negret ke. Why? Chonghoi lo ke why di. Why are you laughing so much? Why are you laughing so much? Chok. Why are you laughing too much? Chok. Why are you laughing? People si kang negret lo. Why are you laughing? Number 6. Kopi si kenam log lo. Karbila me dak kengwe bon samelitum asabo bujidam joy ki jipal si dili paprek lo. Kopi si kenam log lo. Ilitum song yar jure kopi si nam lo pusi puji. Bon samelili dak paprek lo. Kopi si kenam log lo. Manen hala nambo muzikar jo lam lo de. Asi what are you buying? What are you buying? Number 7. Nilihan chonam bom. English, I'm buying vegetables. Ilitum dak vegetables puta chok. Jong si paju meche ji polotang te vegetables pusami ilitum chok. See, I am buying vegetables. Next 8. Number 8. Tong hem kedam lok loma. Tong, are you going home? Are you going home? Tong, are you going home? Are you going home? But lotang te nang li hem chedam lok loma polo. Ilitum language ke Charlie English ponon akapre ke language ponon ilitum joke kali bon samay ninghang parpik pulotang te ilitum take da prang titi take da chatiti terak reda nang po phere reda nang po la pen te kining je e habit e bi ching hoi nang po lalu pro tang te ilitum thek dap chat po so ilitum thek dam long lo ke por hilan an do pusame english conversation bang sabo problem do chat iti asilitum lata extra ilitum ke chali kenang sot lo ate mane penan tum ke ilitum school long same kining je e habit bi be la sondo la si ilitum thek ti ben titi asya phi chali chunang kok titi la si ilitum chali pon bom na ke chali lo pate la ke pijo pen la ke thang isung ta be nili la unperfect bukali bon same chelon chidan ma ke nili ta ningje thek la sinang itu pan nang that bom bom ji pusde li ma thala si pinya video bang ke la le ilitum ington pon kok na ali tumpan Christmas sa card se be pajir lo pini lage 24 lo 24 December Sunday lo pena bang Christmas lo na si nang itum bang so Christmas long na itum alier champions na mi ningarong bong pen sa mi celebrated po sa ning thilo si na itum subscribe ita bang so a video na itum dong si asabu aki medo puro tangte ako thang ale abi labang so channel pute na subscribe ide ta chok si pura chetong tunang kardom tami thakmi